Ha kajing persyang ban penne ya ka syongsuk syongsngan ha kaput ka Meghalaya Assam kihe sorkar na baro arliang hene ka singi arpau tarik Risau kila pelong da kajingalang penyasuk ha Kanduli Border Outpost BOP. Kani kelawan long hadin kajingakan at bedangshan ha kasnong lapangap kabalashim ya kajing imjong uwei urang ba karbi uba kerteng u oriwel timung ubadai na kasnong tapat West Karbi Anglong. Habak keren syakilat patai kebor hadin ke Jingalang, Deputy Commissioner ke West Karbi Anglong, USP Sarma, ulakot ban shimi ke senjam ban kiar na kijingakan at, bat ya terilang hapdeng kinong syong shnong kaput, da kabakin turu ban bu syarut ikikam san pertai, na kabenta ke jingmentoy, bat ka syong suk syong shngan hapdeng jongki. Kam day bandan ka kam san perthai halor kani ka kam namar ngidan kam ban im hangni hakasuk kasan kumba julong hakipur ki baladap ong Sarma haba banrap babaro arliang mamla kila menjur ban penne ya ka suk syong shngan ban ailat ikinong rep bagin beteng ban net ot ya ukba hakiling kha jongki klem kanu kuno jing sha penthun. Ha kani ka jingalang bala penya da Deputy Commissioner ka West Karbi Anglong bat Border Magistrate ka West Giant Hills uba GH Pasa laidon lang Superintendent of Police ka West Karbi Anglong UR Barwa bat Additional SP ka West Karbi Anglong. Kiway pat kibalaydan lang ki kentop ru ya wahe shnong kalapangap umadi lingdo Advocate ba Erwin Kis Ames tengah President ka senjuk ki wahe shnong Regentia uba A Lipon, uwahe shnong takpan bat President ka Soching Amring Border Development Committee. Ki opisar na West Karbi Anglong bat West Giant Hills kentup iki Border Magistrate bat kinomi khmat jong ka Peace Committee kilapoi sya ka jinga menjur lang ban ailat no mardor ban lejot yaw kaba hai kilingkha ki badan ha ka shnong takpat bat lapangap da ka bakdaw halor ka jingdan kam kerki shwa ba ukba utlor no. Umarab umla ban apsa nakabenta saw ni sansingi. Nakaliang orang ba shnong katapat lapangam kila menjur bakanam dan kanu kuno jingthod ya kasuk kasan kat ba kajingot kaba kadang ya syakmat ong Deputy Commissioner. Usarma ula banrap bagi borsen shar jong ka West Giant Hills kila pentikna ban ai kajingat rilang ka bapura bat ban lapat pengat eki beriu ki badan ti halor kajing syak penyap jong oriwel timong kabala jia haga kendai terik Risau. Kinong lek kam baman kin syak pengat kat kum kaan hadien ka jing tokit ka babnia hapok ki kindon joka IPS bat BNSS ulaong. Nalor kata ulaya ro ru ya ka jing persyang jong kinong alam shnong kentup iki dekha jong ka Peace Committee balayalam da Augustine halor ka jing arab ban penne ya ka jing jai jai ba ka jing ateli ha ki jaka khaput ki basyong sir. Omla banya pen da lele ru na ka benta ka jing sung day ban penne ya ka suk syong shngan ba ka jinglet ot ya ukba ka day ban beteng klem da penslam shu penskam Usarma lapun kot ya ka jingalang da ka ba penskam biang ya ka jingkular na baro arliang ban penne ya ka suk syong shngan ban pentikna ya ka jingkit kli bat ban khangla na kinu ki jingakan at ki bala ban jia biang ha ki benta khaput ka Meghalaya bat Assam.
No politics first of all, yes, as highlighted, because we need to live here like earlier days, yes, with peaceful coexistence. That is the ultimate crux of the resolution we have come to know out of this particular meeting. Secondly, it is being ensured by our West Gentia Hills counterpart, Border Magistrate and our learned advocate, and the demand was that whosoever was the culprit behind the incident of killing a native of this particular Tapat village, he would be taken to task. At the same time, he would be handed over as per the procedure of law after due investigation as well as per the procedure of IPC and BNSS. Thirdly, today we have come to know that meeting after meeting we cannot call for, convene for, and everyone cannot attend this meeting time and again, even if we are willing. Because why we cannot await? Because of this particular crop. This particular crop cannot wait for under 4 or 5 days. Okay, we need to know that, and it belongs to someone who is a native of West Gentia Hills or some natives of our own Tapat village at the same time. It will be affected both the counterparts at the same time. So it should be harvested urgently and with the consensus of both these village headmen. My village headman is here, that is Tapat. He has also opined today, and your village Lapangap is here. He has also consented at the same time that there will be no law and order, okay, regarding harvesting. So this has been the thing we have come into conclusion today, that harvesting cannot wait time and again with lot of meetings after meetings, because so many spokesperson is there at the same time. Every day they would be giving a new terms and conditions. We cannot await like that at the same time. Because of the fraternity, because of the peaceful coexistence in the greater and larger interest, we need to know that you are going to hand over the culprit whosoever committed this crime on 9th of October, where we lost our dearest brother or Orival Timum. At the same time, we are going ahead with the harvesting and some plantation at the same time. Because this has been going on since centuries. It should not be an issue like taking some weapons, threatening each other. Because we are in the same boat, we need to know that. And with these few words, I want to conclude here with the hope. Our Augustine, brother Augustine is here.
Sir, I'm here, sir.
He's the chairman of our peace committee. Lot of responsibilities actually he was being actually vested with, and he's a very worried person. I understand that, but the fact remains. At the same time, we cannot compromise peace at any cost. Okay, and law and order should prevail, peace should prevail, and harvesting should continue at the same time without any further delay with a consensus. Thank you. So I want to have a photograph with all of you at the same time, because we are holding meeting after meeting. Nothing comes out. At the same time, we are facing with a new incident always. Okay, this is not going to stop if we are not going to come with certain conclusion here. Okay, people are there to discredit you. People are there to discredit me at the same time. People are there to discredit you at the same time for the administration. People are there to discredit you, Bindal Gagura. We need to know that. Okay, we are having certain responsibilities. We need to know that. And we are accountable to the people here, is not it? For their life, for their property and everything. Thank you. At the same time, I'd like to request all of you. Your God, today what we have done, certain resolutions, no? We should respect the resolutions first of all. We are not going to make a different comment going out from this campus. That nothing could be resolved. Okay? तो हम लोग का क्या होता है? पुष्प हो नहीं, हम लोग सारा दिन भर मीटिंग कर लिया, पुष्प हुआ नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Because every one of us should feel that we are accountable to the people here. Okay? So many people are there, but they are ignorant. What is law? What is boundary? What is border? Okay? They know only that how to live a life with their paddy. That should be understood. That should be respected. Okay?
This is good idea.
Good idea, no? Okay. One photo more.
Wait.